So as a DM, I found that I often had trouble deciding, figuring out how best to store all the information for my campaign. I'd make all these NPCs, but I wouldn't really have any great place to store all their information about them except for Google Docs. Um, so I tried using like the DnD Beyond.com's campaign manager features, but they really are lacking in pretty much everything. So I decided to make kind of a spiritual extension to D&D Beyond called To Infinity and D&D Beyond, like Buzz Lightyear. So the way it works is you enter a username. You can, if you don't have an account, you can just enter one and it will make one for you. So if I enter my username of Daniel, I am able to choose between characters and items. So if I choose items, I can look at the items that I already have with a description, an owner of which character owns it, name, and the user that created it. And then I can also create a new item. Right now it just has name, description, and owner, but if I add an item, magic wand, does magic, item owner on Dagsdale, I can create a new item, and it will display that with a nice little drop-down menu. And the same goes for characters. So I have my character Don Dagsdale. It's a little bit messy right now. I was hoping to do a lot more, but unfortunately it didn't happen. So it's a little bit messy, but I used Google Data Store to store all the data, and then it is hosted on Google App Engine.